obviously this was serious. But within a few minutes of that first visit, it was clear that there was much, much more to Russ than the fact that he had attended clown school. He had an excellent sense of balance. His subsequent decision to leave the Navy, the determination and hard work in his new career, and his obvious love and loyalty towards Hayley has made him a very, very welcome member of our family.
Yeah.
He and Hayley continue to build a home and a life together, and I'm sure that I speak to Jeanette, Leslie and John in Sandwood both. We're all very, very proud of them both. And I have no doubt that Hayley is in safe hands. Okay, I can now see that Jeanette's starting to look for the sharpest bit of cutlery. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to propose a toast to the best daughter in the world, and the man who's been a husband for 4 hours. So please raise your glasses and drink a toast to their future health and happiness. To Hayley and Ross.
As you can see, they were very good.